Beneath the crystal-clear waters of the Aegean Sea lies one of history's most powerful volcanic time bombs, Santorini. Over 3,600 years ago, its catastrophic eruption obliterated entire civilizations and sent shockwaves across the ancient world. But what if deep within this supervolcano, another hidden volcanic structure is waiting to awaken? Could this secret volcano be stirring once more, setting the stage for another earth-shattering disaster? Scientists are now uncovering new clues that may change everything we thought we knew about Santorini, its past, its present, and its potentially explosive future. Santorini, a volcano within a supervolcano. Recent discoveries in the Aegean Sea have reignited global interest in Santorini, an island where mythology and modern science converge in a dramatic tale of volcanic power. New geological studies confirm what has long been suspected. Santorini is not just a single volcano. It is a volcano nested within a much larger supervolcano. While this has been known for decades, the latest research has provided an unprecedented glimpse into the intricate processes that have shaped the island over hundreds of thousands of years. Using advanced seismic imaging, geophysical surveys, and high-resolution radar, scientists have mapped the volcanic system beneath Santorini with remarkable detail. Their findings have not only deepened our understanding of the island's volatile history, but have also heightened concerns among local authorities as they monitor potential hazards in the region. The birth of a volcanic giant. The story of Santorini began millions of years ago, deep beneath the shimmering surface of the Mediterranean. As the African tectonic plate slowly pushed beneath the Aegean microplate, immense pressure forced molten rock to the surface, forming vast underground reservoirs of magma. Over hundreds of thousands of years, these reservoirs fueled powerful eruptions that spewed lava, ash, and pumice into the sea. The result was a rugged, ever-growing archipelago, a living testament to nature's relentless forces. Recent seismic studies confirm that the present-day Santorini caldera, a massive depression stretching 12 kilometers in length and 7 kilometers in width, was not formed by a single event. Instead, it is a result of multiple eruptions, collapses, and reconstructions over thousands of years. The islands within the caldera tell a layered story of destruction and renewal, each eruption leaving behind geological clues about the region's fiery past. The cataclysm of the Minoan eruption. Among the many eruptions in Santorini's history, none is as infamous as the Minoan eruption of 1600 BC. This colossal event unleashed between 30 and 60 cubic kilometers of magma within days, one of the most violent volcanic explosions ever recorded. Towering ash clouds darkened the skies, and tsunamis devastated coastal settlements, particularly the thriving Minoan civilization on Crete. The eruption reshaped the geography of the Aegean, leaving behind a massive caldera that still dominates Santorini's landscape today. Beyond its immediate destruction, the Minoan eruption had far-reaching consequences. Volcanic ash and sulfur aerosols injected into the atmosphere caused a period of global cooling, disrupting climate patterns. Archaeologists and historians continue to debate whether this environmental upheaval contributed to the decline of the Minoans, one of the most advanced civilizations of the ancient world. A volcano that never sleeps. Santorini's volcanic history did not end with the Minoan eruption. Even today, the island remains restless. Scientists have long studied the so-called Minoan Ring Island, a geological feature within the caldera that formed as the land collapsed after the eruption. New research suggests that this collapse was not a single event, but rather a prolonged period of instability spanning centuries. Layers of rock, each telling the story of a past eruption, reveal a cycle of explosive activity followed by rebuilding, an ongoing process that continues to shape Santorini's character. More concerning are the signs that the volcano beneath Santorini is still active. In recent weeks, scientists have detected an increase in seismic tremors, gas emissions, and underwater activity. Advanced monitoring systems, including satellite imaging, underwater sensors, and seismographs, are closely tracking these changes, searching for any warning signs of an impending eruption. While there is no immediate cause for alarm, The island's history reminds us that even long-dormant volcanoes can awaken unexpectedly. Santorini, a window into Earth's fiery heart. Santorini is more than just a geological wonder. It is a natural laboratory where scientists can study the deep inner workings of volcanic systems. By analyzing rock samples, gas emissions, and magma movement, researchers are gaining valuable insights into how volcanoes behave over time. These studies are crucial not just for understanding Santorini's past, but also for predicting future eruptions, both here and in other volcanic regions around the world. The island's unique geological features, from its submerged lava domes to its labyrinth of underground magma chambers, make it an ideal place to study the complex interactions between tectonic forces, magma flow, and volcanic eruptions. Scientists are now working together on an international scale to develop better hazard models, hoping to refine eruption forecasts and improve disaster preparedness efforts. The legacy of fire and ash. For the people of Santorini, the volcano is both a source of pride and a reminder of nature's unpredictable power. The island's whitewashed villages, perched on the edge of dramatic cliffs, stand in stark contrast to the dark volcanic rock beneath them. Beneath the breathtaking beauty lies a restless energy, one that has shaped the land for millennia and may one day do so again. Local communities live with a deep awareness of their island's volatile history. Conversations in cafes and town squares often turn to the ever-present possibility of another eruption. Schools teach children about both the myths of ancient gods and the real scientific processes behind their island's formation. In recent years, emergency preparedness programs have been strengthened, ensuring that residents and visitors alike are aware of safety protocols in the event of renewed volcanic activity. Looking to the future, Santorini's past holds valuable lessons for the future. As climate change and environmental shifts make natural disasters even more unpredictable, studying volcanic systems like Santorini can help scientists develop more accurate models for forecasting eruptions and mitigating risks. International collaborations are bringing together volcanologists, geologists, and archaeologists in an effort to understand the long-term impact of Santorini's volcanic activity, both on human civilizations and on the planet itself. The mysteries of Santorini are far from fully uncovered. Every new seismic reading, every rock sample analyzed, and every technological advancement brings us closer to understanding the forces that shape our world. As researchers continue their work, one thing remains certain: the story of Santorini is still being written. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Santorini's explosive history. We've uncovered the secrets of a volcano within a supervolcano, explored the ancient eruptions that reshaped the Mediterranean, and connected those fiery events to the geological forces still at work today.